Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy house online in Nepal. Okay, now you can go to gharjaganepal.com and then click on list property. You can provide your property also, or you can search for property so that you can buy. Okay, these are the premium ones. This house is for sale. You can click on the house and then see all the features, pictures here. This cost we can see here, and 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 2 crore 60 lakhs. This is built in 5.5 fana, 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom. If you want more information on this house, you can contact them via email. You can fill in your details and meshes and click on send. There is also the EMI facility here.